Are you looking for an education, coaching, learning, or any type of SaaS landing page website? Or a marketing, training, or course selling website for your online learning platform? Introducing TNC Sales Funnel, the best Webflow SaaS landing page template. Create or redecorate your website easily. Now, where to get this template? To get this template, you need to visit templates.ThemeNcode.com. Here you need to search TNC Sales Funnel. Take a look at our TNC Sales Funnel template is listed. Here, you can check the live preview and designer preview or all the template variants from this page. Click Buy Now to get this template from Webflow website. Now, let's explore the live preview of TNC Sales Funnel. TNC Sales Funnel is a SaaS landing page template. This template has a sleek and trendy design, so that you get a professional and visually appealing design that attracts your audience. Creating and managing online courses has never been easier. From course catalogs to interactive course pages, this template gives you all the tools you need to deliver an engaging learning experience. You can display images and text beautifully on every device with our touch-friendly sliders. This template contains all the sections and elements that a SaaS learning website should have. TNC Sales Funnel is also compatible with different web browsers and all types of screens. With this template, you can impress your audience, increase your revenue, and keep your data safe. It's the smart way to brighten up your courses and engage your students. Now, let's see how to use TNC Sales Funnel. This is our template, TNC Sales Funnel. Here, you will find all the sections and pages. You can change everything in this template. Let's customize our header. Just hover over the element and click on it to get each customizable option. Have a look. Here you can easily change the logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. Now, let's customize the nav menu. For this, I need to double tap on navbar and select the nav link what I want to change. Here I replaced this name from About with Home. You can also change the link type, open type, page connection or URL. After that, you can easily change this banner image by clicking on Replace Image option. Then you can easily customize or change this hero heading text. Here, I just select the text and replaced it with Welcome to ThemeNcode LLC. After that, here I change this subheading in the same manner. Let's customize this button. Here, I select the button and it show all the options for edit this button. You can change the button link, page connection, open type, or URL. Here I change the button name from Enroll Now to Click Here. You can easily change, edit or delete any text or image in this template. This is our footer section. You can easily replace this footer logo by clicking on the Replace Image option. You can also change this footer paragraph. You can see here, I rewrite this footer paragraph. You can edit or change each footer link, icon or text. So, you can change, edit, add or remove anything in this template as per your requirements, and it is quite easy. So, if you are looking for the best Webflow SaaS landing page template, get TNC Sales Funnel, and if you want to browse more templates, visit templates.ThemeNcode.com.